Good morning, ma'am, sir. My name is Arturo S. Ortiz Jr. I am applying for the role of welder. I am a Filipino citizen, 33 years old, a Roman Catholic, residence of San Marcelino, Zambales, part of Luzon. I am married and I have two children, boy and girl. I am a high school graduate and I have trade certificate like TESDA NC2 and WQT. I have also driver's license restriction of 1238. I know how to operate and how to drive dump trucks, forward trucks, forklift such as 3 tons, 5 tons, 6 tons, 11 tons, or 16 tons. I know how I know also how to drive a service vehicle like manual or automatic. I have 8 years and 8 months total experience in local as welder and 1 year and 5 months total experience in abroad. I worked before in Hanjin Shipyard in Subic, Zambales for almost 5 years until I promoted as a deputy foreman. Our job there is to welding ship materials like handrails, gratings, vertical ladders, foundation, and other ship materials using FK welding. Also, I work in Hirama Shipyard in Maribeles, Bataan for almost 3 years. We are welding plates with or without ceramic, and it depends on the job order given our supervisor. 8 months total experience in LEC pipe companies. We are welding any kind of pipes finished by the Fit Up group. We are welding there using SMAW. 1 year and 5 months total experience in Sharjah, Dubai, UAE as 6G FCAW welder. Our nature of business there is to making and assembling jackets for oil rig. After finish, they deliver to the offshore companies. That's all. Thank you and mabuhay. God bless us all.